Hello everyone, I'm Ian Tum. Yeah, I'm in Baringo County, a place known as Damaravin. So I'm a pig farmer. Yeah. So today we are going to talk about three things. First, I'm going to talk about my simple structure for my pigs that I designed for my pigs. Then the type of pigs that I do rear, and then another thing, the mode of feeding, how we are going to feed our pigs. And then number three is the advantages of rearing and disadvantage of rearing pigs. I think that's what you're going to learn today as what you're going to do. So I think I'll start with the structure itself. So before that, I like to request you guys to subscribe and you share, right? Hope you'll enjoy, guys. So you're going to start with my simple structure that I designed. Okay, so as you can see, my structure is made up of, I designed using timber, then hapa tuko na mabati, just timber, and then huku chini I just decided to kukorogea simiti, but as you can see again, I did some renovation using the timber itself because of some because it is cheap, by the way. Okay, here what you're going to do, I can say you just use the local or the available materials that you have to start your things. So hapa kuna the troughs, as you can see. So these troughs is a food. We normally place food. See those troughs here. Hata pale kuna tu hizo tu nini. Then huku, so with the partitions, I partitions my small car room. As you can see, I have 3 rooms, 1, 2 and 3. So here I normally I do partition them according to the size, ndo wasipigane, nguru pigana. So hapa kuna wale wakubwa, then medium na wale wadogo wako pale. So hapa you can start here. Okay, I can say the nguru are very clean. As you can see, waneka waste pale, only one place. Huko ndo place wengine wanalala. Here is the place where they do take the food, and you can see it's very clean. So hapa ni kwa maji. These are the taps. So huku inasaidia the nguruwe normally suck the water from this place. Hapa niliweka tank so that I do harvest rainwater. When it rains, I do harvest rainwater. Then inakuja inakuwa collected at the tank. So from this tank they can be able to get water, and they just drink the water themselves. So hapa juu, I want to show you how this structure looks like. So hapa pia kuna hizi troughs. Hizi ni za food and some water here. So ukiangalia tu huku, things are just locally available, the bows, the mabatis. Then huku ni place wanaka during the day so that they can be able to bask at the sun. I think that will be fine. So it's just use the available. Huku chini nilikorogea chini because of at least to last long. So number 2, I'm going to talk about the types of pigs that I do rear. So in my farm, my small farm, I'm a small scale farmer. So in my small farm, I have a large white breed, the large white breed. So I started this pig farming in my first year in college, by the way, and I started with only 2 pigs, 2 female pigs, 2 sows. They were too small. They were piglets, and they were, after some I reared for like 4 months. Then they so that they gave birth to this. These are the piglets, by the way. So these are my large white piglets. So the advantage of having a large white, it's because they give birth to a number of piglets. As you can see, okay, you normally count the number of teeth along the stomach. So you can see, like for example, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 6. So that's like roughly 12 teeth. So depending on that, it will tell the farmer the number of piglets that pig will just give birth to. Roughly estimate like 12, yeah, 10 there. So that's the advantage of having a large white breed. So when it comes to food, okay, I can say my pigs, they do take locally available food. I can say waste, and then again we have what you call pig finishers. For now, I do feed them with pig finishers so that they can be able to fatten. So I do right now. I'm using pig finisher so that they can fatten very fast. Yeah. So I do again when it comes to food. I can say that roughly how many types. Okay, we do have vegetables, the cabbages, kales, and then sweet potato vines. And with these sweet potato vines, we can prepare silage. Can prepare silage for them so that you can. That's the number one of storing food for the pigs. Number two, I can say I do mix my own food. Yeah, I mix my own food. I'll show you how in the next video. How I do mix my food so that I can be able to feed them, and I think it's the cheapest method, by the way. Yeah. Then okay, the pigs are they are friendly. By the way. These are my pets. Come. These are my pets. I do love them, and they are my best. Yeah. Okay, that's the advantage. They are friendly. They are clean. You can see this room of theirs. They are clean. They don't place their waste here because these ones they do take their waste to that. Okay, show them that side. That's where they normally place their waste. When they feel like they want to do their waste, they just place it on that other side. Yeah, I think that's all. So make sure you share and subscribe, guys. Bye.